Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make a pleated liquid dye t-shirt. The first thing you want to do is start by centering your shirt. You want to use the sleeve inside the other sleeve technique. Once you have your shirt centered and all smoothed out, then you want to accordion fold or pleat fold from the bottom up to the top, or from the top to the bottom. It really doesn't matter which way you start. And then you want to secure it with rubber bands or kite string, whichever you prefer. Using a washable marker, mark out your dye pattern. It's been 24 hours and now it's time for the rinse out. You want to start by using cold water to rinse away any soda ash that might still be reacting within the shirt, and gradually increase your water up to hot and rinse until the water runs clear. From here I take it to the washing machine and I do a hot water cycle. I do a second hot water cycle using Synthropol, and I do a third hot water cycle using Milsoft. Then I'm going to stick it in the dryer and we'll come back and we'll see our results. Well, here it is, guys. Here's our shirt after it's been washed and dried. And this is number 3 in the series. So first we saw a low water immersion, then we saw an ice dye, and now this is a liquid dye. And the shirt looks great. I have absolutely no complaints about it. This is just what liquid looks like. If I had to choose between the 3, my choice goes with the ice dye. I do like all of the colors. However, I don't quite care for the teal in the liquid form, but you guys have heard me rant and rave about that far enough. So here's a picture of the 3 of the shirts together so you can see a side-by-side comparison, and that's really what I wanted to demonstrate to you guys. You can get 3 totally different looking shirts, 3 totally different outcomes, but still have 3 equally nice shirts. So what do you guys think of this particular shirt? And overall, what do you guys think of this experiment? Please leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell for future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.